Sagar, you're absolutely right. When we actually thought what we wanted to do further in the Goregaon Malad market, our history shows that we've had about 4 completed projects in this micro market. We have 3 ongoing, and believe you me, we have 5 upcoming projects absolutely coming here. And the most important and flagship of that is going to be Filmistan, which is actually just down the road over here, possibly about less than 1.5 kilometers. That's going to be Arcade's flagship project. So I'm absolutely delighted that each one of you is a part of our journey, and look forward to many more milestones that we are going to create in the time to come. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Deepti. Thank you so much.
Can I just request a small AV to be played with regards to our metro branding, please? Thank you.
Can we have the AV, please? With our, because by the way, आप सबको पता है कि last year जो हमारा IPO आया था, उसको आज 1 साल ये हमारी पहली annual report होगी. And before to launch that, let me invite our managing director, sir, Mr. Amit Jain, to kindly join us on stage. उसी के साथ साथ I request Arpit Jain sir, the director Arpit Jain is also joining us. Our board of director Abhishek Dev sir ji to kindly come on stage, and here let us present to you our first annual report after the IPO launch. उसी के साथ साथ guys, I also request our CFO Samsher Sheikh sir to kindly also join us on stage. एक बार जोरदार ताली बजाइए guys, because as the IPO launch, it was an amazing success, and it's a first annual report. Thank you, congratulations first of all. And here the report is. So congratulations, and thank you so much guys. So here is a project. Please sir, join us. Can you have a round of applause guys for Mr. Shripad Ashtekar sir, the founder and MD of Signpost India Limited.
Thank you, thank you. Welcome all to Arcade Bangalore. From today it will be always a Arcade Bangalore. It's the first initiative by any real estate developer in the city to take this pride and first mover advantage. This is a huge step by a real estate company to be associated with the city infrastructure. इमारतें बहुत लोग बनाते हैं, साहस बहुत कम लोग करते हैं. Arcade Group, congratulations for making this visionary step to create association with the city. And I, on behalf of MMRDA and M3OCL and Signpost team, I congratulate all the team members of Arcade Group and all the guests here present today. The association of naming right in India has not been shown any great result till now, but lately with the data science and the pride what advocacy a brand creates for the infrastructure and association with the city planning, this naming right has immense value in terms of creating a legacy, trust, and building the brand at a very large level. We have seen a lot of stadiums, a lot of stations across the globe where people are associated with the brand, not the geography of the city. Similarly, we are also shaping and trying to create support to the brands who are really visionary and try to create something out of the box, which normally people try to go with the conventional template. The template has been changing every month on month. AI is adding a lot of value. The connectivity of the cities are improving fast. The government is taking the initiatives to reduce the load on the treasury. So this kind of PPP projects, which public-private participation, we believe this PPP in branding and naming right is around creating a presence for the brand, creating a perception of trust and public exhibition for what we are doing for the society and along with the business. Many congratulations to everyone. Amit ji, Arpit ji, many congratulations. Thank you for support. We'll add a lot of value in coming time, and my team and we personally will involve in the support whatever we extend. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the questions. I request you to kindly be on stage. Aye.